Hello, Bridge. I'm Mayor Debbie Walker with a special announcement. I'm excited to share another update on the incredible investments we're making in our parks and recreational facilities throughout Old Bridge Township. We've been hard at work upgrading Veterans Park with improvements including the renovations of our baseball and softball fields, along with significant renovations to the existing tennis courts. One of the things I'm especially proud of is that we listen to our residents. Based on feedback from our neighbors and park users, the renovated tennis court has been redesigned to include one tennis court and two dedicated pickleball courts, providing opportunities for players of all ages and skill levels to enjoy this popular sport. I'm also pleased to announce that the new tennis and pickleball courts will officially open to the public this Saturday, June 27th at 7 a.m. We invite everyone to come out, enjoy the new facilities, and see the improvements for yourselves. Beyond the courts, we've also restored and repainted the handball wall, installed new fencing throughout the recreational areas, and this fall, we'll be completing another important phase of the project with the paving of Veterans Park parking lot to improve accessibility and convenience for all visitors. These improvements have truly been a team effort. I want to thank our dedicated Department of Public Works and Parks and Recreation Department staff for their hard work and collaboration in bringing these projects to life. And we're not stopping there. As part of our continued commitment to providing outstanding recreational opportunities for our residents, we're already planning the next phase of improvements and additions at Cottrell Farm Park, as well as Menino and Gike Parks. Investing in our parks and open spaces means investing in the health, well-being, and quality of life of our community. While we celebrate these accomplishments, we must also address some recent challenges. Over the past several weeks, the township has experienced an increase in vandalism, illegal dumping, graffiti, and other destructive behavior within our parks. Incidents have included vandalism and arson-related activity, damage to park facilities, illegal dumping of debris, and hateful messages written on playground equipment. These actions are disappointing, particularly given the substantial investments being made to improve these public spaces for everyone to enjoy. In response, we have increased police patrols throughout our park system and directed our evening and weekend park supervisors to report suspicious activity immediately. We are actively working to identify those responsible and hold them accountable. However, protecting our community assets is a shared responsibility. We encourage residents to report any suspicious activity to the Old Bridge Police Department. Our parks are where families gather, children play, neighbors connect, and lifelong memories are made. We remain committed to maintaining and improving these spaces so they can be enjoyed for generations to come. We look forward to seeing everyone at Veterans Park this Saturday morning. And as always, thank you for your continued support as we work together to keep Old Bridge a great place to live, work, and play.